your shopping bags are lighter and your wallet's emptier than ever. And I'm not imagining this, and neither are you. You've seen it, you've felt it, you've understood right at the checkout that things are lighter but cost more. So you might have been at the checkout and you might have been thinking, hang on a minute, that's the same stuff I bought last year. But now it feels lighter and it's costing me about 40 quid more. That's just not about inflation. That's also shrinkflation. You're paying more for less. Things like, packets of crisps, they're smaller. Bottles of Coke have quietly lost 100ml. Family-sized chocolate bars, well, they're only family size if your family's a mouse. They're banking on the fact that most people won't notice. But you and I did notice. And it's time to get angry about it. Shrinkflation is just one symptom of a much bigger problem. Everything, and I mean everything, is getting smaller in value, but bigger in cost. Wages, pensions, savings, all being eaten alive by inflation. The exact same, how can I put it? The exact same principle is hitting your savings, your retirement, and your ability to live and live the life that you want. That's the serious part about it. If your money's sitting in the bank right now and it's earning you, 2% interest, and inflation's running at 4%, you're losing 2% every single year. That's shrinkflation for your bank account. It's the same with property too, because you could own the wrong type of property, you could own it in the wrong way, or you may have been scared off completely because of the scary news headlines like the renters' rights bill. It's like the boiling frog analogy. Throw a frog into a pot of boiling water, it jumps out straight away. But put it in cold water and heat it up slowly, it doesn't notice until it's too late. And that's what's happening with the middle class right now. Every year, your grocery basket is costing more, but it's lighter too. Your council tax, well, that's getting heavier. And your real income shrinks. Most people, they're just going to put up with it and they're going to adjust. They're going to buy less, eat out less, go without holidays, and that becomes their new normal. If you accept it, you lose. There's one area of life where the opposite can happen though, where you can own something that's actually going to increase in value faster than the cost of living, can at least keep up with inflation, if not outpace inflation. And the income it produces can also grow too over time. It's called owning the right property the right way at the right time. When inflation pushes up the price of everything, well, that helps you get better returns. Because it doesn't just help make milk more expensive, it makes rents more expensive too. And if you own a rental property, inflation isn't your enemy. It's your business partner. Yeah, think about that. It's your business partner. Some of you are now thinking, yeah, all right, that sounds good, Adam, but what about all the new laws, renters' rights bill and all of that sort of stuff? Isn't it going to kill landlords off? Well, the ones who don't know how to structure their investments, the ones who are not taking it seriously, the ones who are not setting themselves up for success, they're probably going to have a harder time, yes. But the ones who educate themselves, learn the new laws, learn the strategies, learn how to set it up for success, they're going to be just fine, and they're actually going to be capitalizing, because the ones who are going to have difficulties, they're going to be selling, and they are selling. So people who are educated, well, we're the ones going to be buying those properties, aren't we? Think about this. The big institutions, pension funds, hedge funds, They're not running from the market at all. They're doubling down right now. They're trying to gobble up as much as they can. And the only reason they would do that is because these properties are valuable. It's the right play, it's the right thing to be doing. So why would you not copy what they're doing? Yeah, go where the smart money goes. We're probably in the last real buying cycle in the UK right now, before it becomes fully institutionalised by these bigger companies. Once that happens, you won't be competing with Bob from down the road. You'll be competing with BlackRock and Lloyd's. And they don't buy two-bed terraces one at a time. They buy thousands. And when that happens, the idea of the average person getting into property, to put it bluntly, it's going to feel like a fantasy, because they're just going to have a monopoly on the market. But right now, you've got a slot. But that slot, that window, is closing. The system is designed for you, right now, to get used to having less. Less in your shopping basket, less in your savings, less quality of life. The only way to fight is to own assets that get more valuable over time. That produces more income, and the income isn't shrinking. And honestly, that's property, if you do it properly. Let's say you own a house that rents out for £1,000 a month. That's 12k a year gross. Inflation runs at 6%. And if you keep your rent increases in line with the market, in 10 years, that same house could be pulling in around 20k a year. At the same time, the debt you used to buy the property, that hasn't grown. In fact, in real terms, even if it's interest only, the value of that debt will have shrunk, because you're paying off, or you're paying that debt with inflated pounds, future money. And you're always better off paying debt with future money than you are with today's money. Think of it this way, that's actually growthflation. So you don't have inflation or shrinkflation, you can actually get growthflation. So are you going to sit there and watch everything get lighter and more expensive, your bank balance get smaller, and your future shrink? Or are you going to fight? Are you going to start taking back some control? Are you going to learn the game? Are you going to get on the side of people who are benefiting right now from inflation? Those who know what they're doing, following a proven system, and instead of getting crushed by inflation, they're beating it. The opportunity isn't going to go away right now if you take action now. Because like I said before, this is one of the last buying cycles that we're in, where we've got a real chance to grow a substantial portfolio and build wealth and freedom at the same time before the big institutions gobble it all up. And I'm not saying it's easy. I'm not saying you can just jump in blind, but you can learn exactly how to do this from people who are already doing it and are successful at it. You know, it's today's market with today's rules. And that's why we created Property School. So you're not out there guessing. So you're not falling for the scaremongering and the fear headlines. So you've got real strategies from the pros who are using it to make money. Plus being in the same environment that's making everyone else poorer, well, you're going to know how to counteract that, fight back, grow your wealth and your cash flow. We've got content and training and masterclasses on all different investment strategies, everything. BRR, no money down, deal packaging, commercial conversions. It's all in there. Plus, we've got a strong community of like-minded people who are supporting each other to make this a reality and make it really work. Better yet, you can cancel anytime. We're not going to lock you into any long-term contract. Joining's really easy. You just have to go to property.school/go. Let me just put the link on the screen quickly. So it's property.school/go. Here we go. Go check us out, click that link, come join us. Because the economy's changing and you can't keep playing defence. What you need to do is learn how to go on the attack. Switch sides and be on the winning team. Just don't wait until it's too late. Don't wait until your bags are empty, the shelves are bare, before you decide to make a move. Come check us out. It's truly life-changing stuff if you're willing to take the action. So come check us out at property.school/go, and I'll see you inside.